morning, afternoon, good night, I don't know, whenever you're watching this video. I know this isn't my typical setting. I'm actually in my boyfriend's apartment in New York. We're getting ready for his graduation. It's on Sunday. Today is Wednesday. So I wanted to do a little kind of get ready with me video today. I know I haven't been too frequent with my posts. That's gonna change, and to be honest, I think the reason why I haven't posted so much is because I think I have this stigma that I feel like I need to post certain things, and then I was getting torn about what I actually wanted to post. So I'm just gonna post whatever I want to post, and if I want to post the getting ready with me, I hope you guys like it. And so let's just get started with this video. Today we're gonna go to a block party that they're gonna have for all of the senior graduates. I'm actually really excited because I didn't get to go last year, so I get to relive senior graduation festivities all over again. Alright guys, let's get this video started. This video is actually gonna be a little challenging to make because I'm gonna just do my makeup like with this background. I mean this forward facing this. So this is how I travel. When I do travel, I just literally get like a duffel bag and I put all my things in here. So this is like all hair things, but I'm just gonna get my makeup out. So I have this bag filled with makeup. This is all, although I won't be using all of these because given I am gonna be kind of like outdoors and just in a very relaxed environment, I won't be using all of the makeup that I normally do. So as usual, I'm gonna start off with my favorite primer, the Urban Decay Optical Illusions Complexion. So I don't know if you guys can tell, I did like self-tanning and like my face is significantly whiter. It's okay, we'll blend it out. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my foundation. So this is the Maybelline foundation that I showed you guys in one of my previous makeup videos. I'm in the color 120 Classic Ivory. So I'm just gonna get this little beauty blender. I got this at Ulta. You can get this at Target. Honestly, you don't need to spend a bunch of money and get the official beauty blender. One of these little sponges that you find work fine. Just make sure they're damp and you run them under the sink. Dry them with a paper towel. This is all you need. So I'm just gonna squeeze. So I'm going to be mixing two different types of concealers. I'm going to be mixing the All Nighter Urban Decay, and I'm going to be mixing the L'Oreal True Match Concealer. Now I'm going to go in with Laura Mercier, the translucent, can't talk, the translucent loose setting powder. So what I do is I have, I don't know if you guys can see, I have a bunch here, and then what I'm going to do is fix my camera. I'm gonna get the damp, I use this for everything guys, I'm gonna get the damp blender, I'm gonna apply just like that, pat it down, and then I'm gonna look up. You always want to look up because if you look normal or look down, you might like set the creases that are already under your eyes. And I'm just gonna set right here. I'd like to set right here because I have the really bad habit of always going like this. Always have that bad habit. Just completely freaked out. Okay, so we have the, I had to close the windows because there's a wasp and it got through. I'm low-key terrified right now and I can't make noise or anything because my boyfriend has an interview going on downstairs. I'm gonna go in and brush off my baked. So the wasp is still there, and I have to whisper because I want the door open, because if the wasp comes out, I need to be able to book it out of that door. So I have to talk really low because he's doing the interview right downstairs. Okay, well, let's try and focus and not make noise to not interrupt the interview and the wasp that's just chilling on the windowsill. So now I'm gonna go in and do my eyebrows. I will post a YouTube tutorial of how I do my eyebrows because it takes me a little while. So I'm just gonna go like this and they're done. Look at that. I wish it was that fast. I wish I could do my eyebrows just like that all the time. Don't you? I do. Like I said, this is a very low-key look. I'm gonna go in with the Tarte Be a Mermaid and Make Waves palette. And I'm gonna go in and use Nude Beach. This palette is beautiful, by the way. Like, look, like it's so pigmented. Like, it's ridiculous. So I'm gonna go in with my finger. I do always like to create a little bit of depth. So I'm gonna go in with my little, since we're in the mermaid theme today, my little mermaid blending brush. This is a fluffy brush. It's sturdy, I know. I didn't have time to clean my brushes before. So I'm gonna go and pick up the color Sandbar. And I'm gonna tap it. So I don't know if you guys can see, but by doing that, look at the depth that creates in my eye compared to this one. So again, get a little bit. Other Little Mermaid blush is kind of like a flat tip brush. I'm gonna pick up Sandbar, pat it. And that's it, I'm done with my eyes. This little mascara kit, it's the Kiehl's Booster XL base of mascara, so it's like an enhancing primer for your eyelashes, and then they gave me the mascara Haute Definition high definition mascara, and then I'm gonna combine it with the Holy Grail Voluminous Lash Paradise, again my little mirror. So step one, I'm going to apply the primer. The Lancome mascara. My eyelashes are done. I'm gonna go in with the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and what I like to do, yes, I use this palette a lot. I'm gonna go in with, I'm gonna mix some of what's left over with the darker shade, and I believe that's called Sombre, and then I'm gonna go in with Subconscious. So I'm gonna combine the darkest and the lightest together with, this is a Morphe contouring angled brush. So I'm just gonna combine, I'm gonna try and pick up as much as I can and then get some of this. See, this is your cheekbone. You always wanna go right under because you want it to pop. And then I have a very square shaped head, so I'm gonna go like this and I'm gonna bring it down right here. You see how that transforms my face right away? So it's kind of like if you do have the same shaped head as me, my family likes to call me SpongeBob. You want to just, this is just going to help highlight your cheekbones and your jawline. A trick is to bite the inside of your cheeks and they'll pop out. But you look absolutely ridiculous when you do it. Now you're gonna go in and your hairline. This is a Tarte blush brush, and I'm gonna just put on some blush. This is the NARS Orgasm. I love this blush. I like to smile. So the little, what'd you say? That smile. This, I have been using this for the past week and a half, almost 2 weeks. I love the Farsali Jelly Bean Highlight. It is so freaking good. Look at it. Like, it's like, freaking love it. Okay, so I'm gonna get a little bit on my finger, and I'm gonna, okay. And remember I told you these are your cheekbones. You're gonna just spread it out. And I like to bring it under my brow, and then I'm gonna pat it in. I'm a strong believer that you can never have too much highlight. Yep, I definitely have more on this side. There's my Farsali little look. Now, I'm not done highlighting my face. Now I like to go in and just highlight my nose and my Cupid's bow. Oh my god, the mouse is moving. Not a fan. What you guys gonna see? Especially his stinger is like, he's like walking like ready to like sting whoever pisses him off. Okay, well I'm just gonna go in here. My Cupid's bow. Oh, I look great. It's not that I'm not paying attention to that right now the wasp is walking across the, excuse my language, across the thing back and forth. Now I'm gonna go in and apply some all-nighter setting spray. This is by NYX. It's called the Sweet Mama, and it's a little holographic lip gloss. And I like it because it kind of like accentuates the natural pink of your lips. Oh my god, super important, and I completely forgot this. So I have a natural beauty mark right here, and it's kind of hidden right now. Okay, good. I thought the wasp was gonna come out. I was like, don't do it, or we're both gonna freak out. I love my beauty marks. I have so many, and I like to accentuate them. So with the same powder that I used to fill in my brows, I'm gonna go in with the darker shade, and I'm gonna accentuate my already my birthmark that I kind of hide with makeup, not on purpose. There you go. Now we're ready to go figure out what I'm gonna wear to the block party. So this is what I'm gonna wear today. I got these shorts at Nordstrom and this top as well. I think these shorts are Billabong, and this is Brandy. Now, I'd never know how to pronounce this. So I'm gonna wear this. It's cute for a little block party. Let's try it on. So, and I think I'm going to use this little pouch to carry my things in. This is my favorite thing to use when I'm getting ready. So I like to just apply glitter everywhere. I don't know if you guys can see the glitter. I love glitter. And I'm gonna switch arms because I'm doing this. I'm sorry if this quality of this video looks horrible because I don't have a proper background and whatever, but this is my life right now. It's okay. So before this video ends, one thing that I do every single time that I expose my collarbones is I highlight them. So I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna pick up my hair, and to not dirty my shirt, I'm gonna go like this. Use again the Fresh Sally Jelly Beam highlighter. I'm gonna gulp my finger. So you see the difference? I love this look over this one. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same with the other side. Do a really nice glowing touch, and I absolutely love to shimmer everywhere. I think I'm just gonna leave my hair like this. And yeah, so guys, I wanted to thank you so much for watching. I don't even know how to put my camera. Thank you guys so much for watching this video with me. Thank you for tuning in. If you liked more of these like getting ready with me videos, like how I do makeup for certain events, like how I get ready, what do I wear, where do I buy the clothes that I do wear, comment down below, let me know. Also, as always, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be posting more frequently. I will stop being silly and thinking that there's certain things I have to post and not to post. My wasp friend hanging around behind the screen says hi and bye. And thank you guys again so much for watching this video. Much love. See you guys in the next one. Bye.